Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007 doing a third video of the Hit Parade Tobacco Card Edition. This looks like box number either 83 or 88. Anyway. All right. We got another fish. This is American Tobacco, the herring. Still a little bit of shine to it. Very good for. All right, there's one. Next. Oh, this is box number 96. Out of 100. I don't know why I did that. Now we got, ooh. Okay, so Hit Parade is doing a drawing, and I don't know if you might have saw the code or not, but if this is what I think it is, I got a golden ticket. Basically, well, it's not a golden ticket, but it's for a raffle, and if I'm right. It's for the raffle. I will definitely block this. Okay. Says, congratulations, you received an entry into our Hit Parade, sealed box prize basket giveaway. Awesome. Approximate value is $3,000. Entries must be received by Friday, August 13th. 2021 in order to be eligible for the drawing to take place Tuesday, August 17th. Well, that's okay, because they say if you didn't make it this one, you can still make it into the next one, and the next one is actually a $5,000 estimated value of $5,000 Roberto Clemente check. So that's pretty cool. And the next card we have is a bird. We have a 1910. Okay, so they give you a date right there. 1910 T42 Bird Series bronzed cow bird in PSA 4. So that's cool. I got an entry ticket. Awesome. So that was a nice little surprise right there. Because I think they only put it in one ticket per series. So I got the one for this series. Whatever new item that comes out from Hit Parade, they'll put in one box of the what do they call, the raffle ticket. It's awesome. Sweet. Wish me luck. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe. And well, hang on one second. Let me see if I can. Hang on. Here, I can do that. Okay. Basically, this is what it looks like. but again, the dates are expired. But this fairly came out, and this goes. The code will go into the next drawing, which I believe is a check signed by Roberto Clemente, and its approximate value is 5,000. So wish me luck. All right, have a good one. Bye.